How to French kiss in 7 easy steps. Before you learn how to French kiss for the first time, you should have already enjoyed regular kisses with each other first. Using your tongue is more intimate and requires greater comfort between two people. If you suspect your partner may be a little shy about French kissing, you may want to talk about it before trying. Chances are your date is interested in eventually using his or her tongue. Your date may just need a little encouragement and support from you first. However, most often the first French kiss actually happens during the passion of the moment without any planning or discussion. How to French kiss step by step. Follow these instructions and tips on how to French kiss to help your first time go smoothly. Moisten your lips. Dry lips are no fun to kiss with or be kissed by. Lick your lips quickly before you kiss to moisten your lips. For continually smooth and moist lips, regularly use lip balm and drink plenty of water. At home, you can also exfoliate your lips prior to meeting up with your date. Gently rub a dampened washcloth in circular motions around your lips to remove dead skin. Finish with lip balm. Freshen up your breath. Nothing is worse than smooching someone with bad breath. Brush your teeth and tongue before meeting up with your partner. If possible, take some mints with you to pop into your mouth before you start kissing. Move in at an angle when you approach your sweetheart to kiss. Angle your head to one side. If you both move together straight on, then your noses will bump into each other. While kissing, it is okay to change sides for a little variety. If you're not sure which way to lean, let your partner take the lead and move in the opposite direction. Don't look. Most people close their eyes while kissing so they don't look cross-eyed into their partner's eyes. A brief look during the kiss is fine, but staring at each other during the kiss will likely kill the mood. Gently close your eyes in a relaxed manner and try not to squeeze them too tightly or you'll feel uncomfortable. Start with a normal kiss. You never want to start French kissing immediately. The French needs to be worked up to, and that is done with soft, closed-mouthed kisses. Think of those initial, tender kisses as foreplay that builds anticipation for the French kissing main event. Add some tongue when you decide to begin your French kiss. Don't just jab your tongue into your partner's mouth. Knock on the door, so to speak, by moving your tongue. Stop when you reach your partner's lips and teeth to make sure your partner wants to begin French kissing. Chances are your date will enthusiastically respond in kind to your French kissing maneuver. Explore a little. Now that the two of your French kissing, take the time to explore his or her mouth, tongue, lips and teeth. Find what you enjoy doing the most and see what your partner prefers as well. If you're nervous about your technique, use gentle motions followed by pulling back and kissing normally. Add some variety. Where you explore will add variety, but there are other ways as well. First, don't forget to return to normal kissing. The French kiss is great, but so is regular kissing. If you go back and forth between the two, you and your partner will avoid getting bored. Second, adjust the speed and strength of your tongue. Sometimes you'll want to vigorously explore your partner's mouth, while other times you'll want to be more passive and let your partner take the lead. Kissing tips. Now that you know how to kiss, here are some additional tips to improve your kissing experience. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe while kissing. You'll stay comfortable and be able to kiss longer. Breathe through your nose so that you won't have to stop your kiss to get some air. Fresh breath. No one likes to kiss someone with bad breath. Regularly brushing your teeth will help, but downing a breath mint moments before you kiss may also be necessary and appreciated. Use your hands. Kissing isn't just about your mouth and tongue. It's a romantic gesture enjoyed by your whole body. Use your hands to caress and hold your partner to improve your overall French kissing technique. Focus on feelings. French kissing for the first time can feel daunting. Take your time and focus on sensory pleasure. In no time, you'll be a pro. Taking a break. If you need a breather, try giving your partner some varied kisses on their neck and collarbone. Understanding French kissing. Learning how to French kiss is easier than you think. Best of all, there really aren't many rules to follow. Enjoying yourselves is all that really matters.